What are we doing today, bro?
Today, we do some exclusive stuff, bro.
Where we going, bro? That's what I'm asking
Go
you.
to the big Ocean City, bro.
Yeah. About to go for how long? Like 2 hours?
2 hours, 30 minutes.
That's some slight, man. I can do that in my sleep. I may fall asleep though.
We don't want to fall asleep while driving, bro.
You gonna be messed up. Oh, nah, you call me racist, bro. Why am I racist?
Man, they locked me up in here, man.
Oh, yeah?
See Black Lives Matter, man.
Oh, yeah, you said Black Lives Matter. You're supposed to be back there. At least you got two-person shit.
I know, right?
Is this real plants, bro?
Bro.
Man, I don't trust this country anymore, man. Things be looking fake lately, bro. Look at that. What the f, man? I ain't got no ice in there. We need ice, man. We need water, bro. Oh, nah. They literally got cones in there. Like, what we gonna do with cones? Bro, the car gotta eat, bro. Give me ketchup and chipotle. We gonna try something new today, man. Yeah, it's a new combination. Nah, you're not gonna die, man. What we doing, man?
You know you can't eat, right?
What we doing, man?
Quick break.
We getting fuel, man.
You see the car?
250 miles. I need this, bro. Like that.
Not bad. I don't know if you like hungry.
Of course, it's not bad, bro.
It's good.
Bro, that's my choice, bro. I made that sandwich. Bro, I don't know bad stuff in my life, man. Anything I suggest for you is good. You just gotta know that.
So that's how we kill.
Even if I tell you to kill yourself, man, it's because that's good. You gotta kill yourself, alright? Yeah, I don't do drugs, man. I only drink Coke. You know it's summertime when you see all these Jeeps out, man.
I know, right?
Yes! We're Ocean City, baby! Good morning, you! Yes! Are we at Ocean City, though? Of course. Oh, yeah? This don't look like the Ocean City I came to last time, bro. But yeah, welcome to Ocean City, Maryland. We're in Maryland, right?
Yep.
Yeah, man. I got so many memories of this place, man.
We're in New York, bro.
The last time we were supposed to come here, Ocean City, Maryland.
I really thought it was a prank.
That's the most beautiful song I've ever heard my whole life, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Is that a song or music? I don't know. I'm not from America, so don't blame me. I don't know if it's a song or sound, but we finally made it to the sand.
Where's your phone, bro?
Look at this, man. Beautiful.
Where's the phone?
God's creation, man. Awesome. Why are you asking for my phone? Well, yeah, my man's on the back, man. This is the first time stepping on sand. He has never stepped on the sand before, so don't blame him, man. See the way it's walking? He thinks about to sink down under the sand, but hey. Yeah. I'm a pro, man. I was born in the desert. I'm used to sand. But yeah, man, I was trying to get in the water and get some nice shot, but that's not happening, man. It's way too cold, like freezing cold in there. If I fall in the water and get used to it, I may take some nice shot, but catch you guys, man. cheating. He's cheating. No, come back. Come back. He's a clown. My man's strong, man. Lit.